Okay, so these remaining questions are pretty easy to do. Okay, an athlete ran 100 meters in 10 seconds. He covered 32 meters in the first 4 seconds. Find his average speed in the first 4 seconds. Okay, so average speed during first 4 seconds. Alright, so 32 meter divided by 4 is 8 meter per second. Okay, so he covered 100 meter in 10 seconds, covered 32 in the front. Alright, so the last 6 seconds he covered 68 meters. Alright, so average speed during last 6 seconds, 100 meter minus 32 meter divided by 6 seconds. 68 meter per 6 seconds would give me 11 and 2 over 6 meter per second. Okay, simplify 11 and 1/3 meter per second. Okay, then for the whole race, which is 100 meter in 10 seconds. Okay, I don't have space. Apologies if I didn't give you enough space. So average speed for the whole race. Hundred meter divided by 10 seconds. 10 meter per second. Alright, so this is quite simple. Okay. Take a look. If you need to, pause the video. Okay, next one. Try yourself 20. A car traveled for the first 1.5 hours, average speed of 60. 4 kilometers. Find the average speed of the whole journey. Now, your average speed of whole journey is total distance over total time. Okay, so we need to find the total distance first, right? So your total distance would be 1.5 hours. Okay, hang on. 1.5 hours multiplied by 64 kilometers per hour. 2.5 hours multiplied by 72 kilometers per hour. Okay, so total distance will be 1.5 times 64. Right, hours, oops. Okay, and that's for the first part. And then the second part, okay, I'm just going to combine the 2.5 hours times 72 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this should give me my total distance. Now my total time, which is 1.5 hours plus 2.5 hours. Okay, so I'm going to calculate now. 1.5 times 64 equals to 96, right? So 96 plus 2.5 times 72, 180. Right, so kilometer divided by total time, which will be 4 hours. Okay, so I'm going to get up here. 180 plus 96 is 276. Then I'm going to take this 276 divided by 4. 69 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is how you do it in one equation to find total distance divided by total time for the whole journey. Okay, now the towns X and Y are 108 kilometers apart. So Sulin drives average speed of 72 from X to Y. On the return journey, average speed of 54. Right, so x to y 72 kilometers per hour. Y to x 54 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Okay, now this one is going to be hard to do in one setting because you need to find the total time first. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. So total time taken for the whole journey. Okay, so from x to y is 108 kilometer divided by 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, then y to x is 108 kilometer divided by 54 kilometer per hour. So I got 108 divided by 72. I got 1.5 hours. Then I got 108 divided by 54. I get 2 hours. So the total time will be 3.5 hours. Okay, so now that we have the total time, we can find the average speed, right, for the whole journey. So average speed okay, we have the total distance, which is from x to y, y to x, so it's 2 times 108 kilometer divided by 3.5 hours. Okay, so I will get 108 times 2, so it's 216 kilometer, 3.5 hours. Okay, I understand that I'm writing it horizontally because there's no space, but please, when you're writing on foolscap, there's space. Your equation should be vertical, going down. So this one should be the next step here. Okay, please don't copy exactly, right, without much thought. So we have 216 divided by 3.5, right? And we cannot convert it to, we can convert it to fractions. Okay, so from here, our average speed will be 61.5/7 kilometers per hour. Alright, okay, so we are done with 21. Try yourself 21. Okay, another 4 more questions and we're done. Hang in there.